Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to get started with BettyBlocks and making your first application. So make sure you have your BettyBlocks account ready and the appropriate permissions to create an account. So let's get started. First things first, the moment you log into BettyBlocks, you will likely arrive at your dashboard. On your dashboard, you will find multiple sources that will help you get started with building. However, we would like to get started with creating our own first application, and we're going to do so either from start or by picking a template. You can also pick the organization for which you want to build an application. So I'm going to dive into my own organization, and in here there are multiple applications ready, but we are going to create one from scratch to get started. So I'm going to navigate to the Create Application button, and here you can see all kinds of application templates that have been readied for me, and well, the application overview. Within these application templates, there are a multitude of kinds of applications that I can start from, that I can basically ready to, well, speed up my app development, such as a document content search, survey builder, ideation portal. But in this case, I am going to start from scratch, and this is where things get interesting. You can use send in the application type. So are you just checking out? Do you want to test out things? Make sure that you pick the playground application, or are you thinking of possibly going live with this app in the future? Make sure to set it to a default application type. You can make certain changes in the future, but it never hurts to, build with the intention of going to build something great. Make sure to pick an application name. Odin's first application. It will have the application initials for your dashboard and then the identifier of the application, meaning that people and myself will be able to reach this application by typing in odins-first-application.betty.app. I can pick a nice color for the background, or I can upload an image myself, and I can click Create Application, and the application will be created. Once the application creation process is done, well, some things need to be initialized, the URL needs to be claimed, and once that is done, I can click on this template and it will take me into the application. So I'm gonna wait a little second and then we're gonna continue with that. Once the application is finished creating, we can open up the application overview and click on the Open Application button to dive into our application. This is where you will find the application's dashboard. Also, a lot of learning materials and the builder bar, our navigation bar for building our application, pages for building our front end, model overview for structuring our data, and the action button that takes us to the actions, business logic within our application. Then there's also the navigational option to the block store and the other tools within our application. So make sure to get ready for some epic building adventures, and let's get going. Good luck with building your first applications, and welcome to BettyBlocks.